Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hi. So, today saya nak tunjuk the tutorial macam mana cara untuk kita install Multisim software. Okay, first of all, Multisim software ada dua option, which is you guys boleh guna as online version ataupun you guys boleh download the software, the Multisim software, but the trial version. Because the full version, you guys perlu bayar untuk full version. Okay, so first of all, you guys just perlu pergi dekat Google Chrome atau mana-mana browser yang you guys pakai, and then just search Multisim. Multisim. Okay, first of all, kita go through untuk Multisim online first. Alright, so you guys just tekan link Multisim Live Online Circuit Simulator. Majority tak pernah lagi sign up untuk Multisim, so you guys perlu sign up dulu. Okay, so you guys just perlu klik sign up for free. So dia akan bawa you guys ke sini. So apa yang you guys perlu buat adalah just fill the form. Just letak alias nama you guys, first name, last name, role, please select student. Okay, role, just select student, and automatically dia akan change from company to school. Okay, so untuk school, for those UiTM student, just search you guys punya UiTM. Sebagai contoh, saya search UiTM Pasir Gudang. Yeah, see this one. So automatically dia akan detect all school address, city, postal code, and this one select Johor. Okay, so after done this one, go to this one, graduation date. So you guys just perlu letak graduation date you guys. Okay, so then next, email address. So here, this will be your NI account login. We recommend using your work or company email address. Okay, so untuk email address ni, you guys better pakai email university masing-masing. So for UiTM students, you guys boleh pakai iSiswa punya email, ataupun you guys boleh juga pakai mana-mana email yang you guys ada lah. So you guys letak password and then just create an account. So after done this part, so you guys akan dapat link confirmation. Okay, so you guys perlu pergi dekat email yang you guys register tadi. Just pergi dekat email tersebut and confirm the link given. Okay, so yang menjadi masalah sekarang untuk UiTM student email, you guys tak boleh masuk dekat Gmail yang biasa. Okay, so untuk check email UiTM student email, you guys boleh pergi dekat Outlook. Okay, you guys boleh pergi dekat Outlook yang already installed sepatutnya dalam laptop masing-masing. So you guys just pergi dekat Outlook, this one, you guys will get this confirmation link. Okay, so you guys just perlu click this link and automatically your account will be registered. Okay, so after done, you guys register you guys punya email, so then you guys just boleh klik login here. Okay, just click login, just enter your email address and your password yang you guys dah registered tadi. So to start a new circuit, to start a new simulator, you guys just perlu klik pada create circuit. Okay, create circuit. You guys akan nampak this simulator. Okay, so you guys just boleh continue with your experiment procedure. Alright, okay, done for the online part. Okay, so for the second part is to download the software, which is the trial version. So you guys just perlu pergi pada Google Chrome and then just search Multisim. Okay, Multisim. So you guys just perlu klik pada Multisim download here. You guys just need to click the latest version, which is 14.2 here, and select education. And after that, just click download here. Okay, so for this part, you guys already done register your account. So you guys just fill in your number phone and then continue. So after you guys click continue and then just save the download. Save. So after the download done, just click on the file and then click yes. Okay, so next you guys just click I accept the above license agreement and then click next. And next, and yeah, done the installation. So after done the installation yang tadi, you guys akan dapat satu lagi installation yang macam ni, and then just click I accept and click next. Wait for the second installation. Okay, so untuk this part, this one is just for updates option, and you guys boleh decide untuk pilih yes ataupun no. After done the installation, you guys need to log in first your email yang you guys dah registered tadi. Alright then, so after done the installation, so you guys just ignore je dia minta license, just ignore and restart your laptop. Cari balik application software Multisim tadi, which is this one, NI Multisim 14.2, and then just click this and just click evaluate here. Okay, just click evaluate, extend evaluation and click yes. And evaluation extension successful, and then just launch. Done. So you guys dah dapat masuk dalam software Multisim. Okay, and bonus, so for lab EE 240, you guys perlu ada Multisim and Anydesk software. Okay, so untuk install Anydesk software, you guys just perlu type Anydesk dekat Google Chrome and then just click download link this one. Okay, untuk saya pakai Windows, and then just click download now and then just save the download file. Save. Okay, so after done, just click on the download file, and yeah, the software is done. So boleh terus guna untuk screen share with your lecturer. Okay. Okay, and ya, sampai sini saja video saya kali ini. Harap bermanfaat. Okay, untuk semua link download file saya akan sertakan di ruangan description di bawah. So you guys boleh buat sambil buka video saya ni. Okay. Okay, so all the best for your upcoming lab session. Assalamualaikum.